Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use gCash to pay for your Temu order, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the main page of Temu. I do not have an account, so I'm just doing this without an account blind. So let's just check for some things to add to our cart. So for example, this leather car seat cover, I'll just add that to my cart, such as this. Click add to cart, select whichever type I want, for example, let's say black, click add to cart, and now that is added to our cart. Now, once you have some items in your cart, you can then proceed to checkout. As you see, because I scrolled the screen, just removed it, but you could go to your checkout immediately. Alternatively, just click on your cart icon and then you'll go to checkout right over here. Now, as you can see, you can click here to select items that you need to check out, and then you will not be charged until the next page. So this is what I want to be charged with. So just select that. And as you can see, you have your list of payment methods here. And now you do need to be in a region that supports gCash to be able to use it. So make sure that you are in such a region, or use a VPN if it works for you. Then just go and proceed to the checkout, and you can add and sign up for an account. But pretty much once you go to your checkout, you'll need to select a payment method. Once you select your payment method, the payment method should be gCash. If you're on mobile, it'll open up a new window or a new application, a new process, where you're gonna need to enter your PIN to be able to access gCash and pay with it as you would regularly. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.